Welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's session, we are going to explore the difference between the Internet and the Intranet. The Internet links many different networks together so they can communicate. For example, your home network connects to your friend's network through the Internet, allowing you to email, chat, or share files. An intranet belongs to a specific organization, like a company, school, or government department, and is only for their use. They control who can access it and what information is shared. The internet is open to everyone, so billions of people use it worldwide. It's like a public space where anyone can join in. Only authorized people can use an intranet, usually employees or members of the organization. This keeps the network private and secure. Internet is unsafe because the internet is public. It's open to hackers, viruses, and schemes. Extra security tools like antivirus software and strong passwords are necessary. Intranet is safe. An intranet is safer because it's close to the public. It usually has security measures like firewalls, password, and encryption to protect data. On the internet, there is more number of visitors. Millions of people browse websites, shop online, and use social media every second, which means the internet always has huge traffic. In the intranet, there is less number of visitors. Only the organization's members can visit, so traffic is much lower compared to the internet. The internet is open for everyone. Anyone can join with the right device and right connection. Intranet is a private network. The intranet is locked and only available to authorized people inside an organization. Anyone can access the internet. If you have a smartphone, computer, and internet connection, you can access the internet from everywhere in the world. In this, anyone can't access the intranet. An intranet blocks outsiders. You need special login credentials or permissions to use it. The internet provides unlimited information. From research purpose to online games, the internet is full of resources and data from all over the world. Intranet provides limited information. An intranet only contains information related to the organization, like policies, schedules, and internal updates. Using social media on your phone or researching resources via Google. These are examples of using the internet. It's open and connects you to public resources. A company used to communicate internally with its employees to share information. This describes the intranet. Companies use it for private communication, file sharing, and project updates. The Internet is a global network that connects millions of devices and computers worldwide. This means the Internet connects people and devices across all countries, making global communication possible. An intranet is a private network that connects devices and computers within an organization. An intranet works only inside the company, connecting all its computers for internal use. The Internet lets anyone browse public sites like YouTube, Wikipedia, or online shops. You can't just log into an intranet, you need permission from the organization. The Internet has many uses: sending emails, buying products, learning online, and watching movies. An intranet focuses on teamwork, sharing files, chatting internally, and managing projects. Users can access the internet from any location with an internet connection and compatible device. You are at home, in a cave, or on a vacation, you can access the internet with Wi-Fi or mobile data. Access to an intranet is restricted to authorized users within the organization and is typically limited to specific devices and location. Intranet can only be used in the company office or through approved devices with security settings. The Internet is a shared resource. It's maintained by many people and organizations, not just one owner. The company that owns the intranet controls all its data, access rules, and security. Examples of internet-based services include email, social media, search engines, and online shopping. Examples of intranet-based services include internal communications, knowledge management system, and collaboration tools. Tools like Microsoft SharePoint or internal HR portals are examples of intranet services. So in short, the internet is public, global, and open to everyone, while the intranet is private, internal, and secure for a specific organization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more simple tech explainers.